We have learned much since COVID-19 first arrived in the Fond du Lac area. Our providers and response team have stepped up and are effectively managing an increased need in care. But for us to be truly effective, we need your support. Do all you can do to stay safe and healthy.
The news today, our COVID-19 positive numbers as a community are rising at alarming rates. The state is opening an alternative care facility as hospitals are being overwhelmed. Together, we can put a stop to this. Listen to our public health officials and heed their guidance. It's important.
With simple precautions as a community, we can curb the growing number of COVID-19 cases. A winning season all around for the Fond du Lac Dock Spiders was a result of teamwork, practice, social distancing, mask wearing, and lots of sanitizing. Thanks for supporting our success. It can be done.
It takes a village to be successful. We need to support one another to survive this COVID-19 pandemic. It's having a devastating impact on our friends, families, neighbors, and local businesses. Help us take the necessary precautions so we can be there for your future.
COVID-19 is dramatically affecting the physical and mental health of our community. We are seeing an alarming increase in deaths by suicide and drug overdoses. All of us need extra support and help at this time. Remember, take care of yourselves, your families, and your coworkers. Allow yourself time to decompress, focus on your strengths, your wins, and things that you can be grateful for. Your mental health is as important as your physical health and well-being.
We can't do this alone. We need everyone's help in the community. Please take COVID-19 seriously. COVID-19 is real. Do what's right and help us reverse these numbers.
In Wisconsin, our rate of positive COVID-19 cases continues to rapidly increase, and it's definitely not where we want to be for the health and safety of our communities. Remember that when you wear a mask, you are wearing that mask to protect others. You never know who you may encounter, and we want to keep everyone safe.
Local businesses want and need to stay open. While we serve our customers' needs, we need to do so in the safest manner possible. So be respectful of capacity laws, social distancing, mask wearing, and postings at local businesses. We're doing everything we can to stay open.
We're there for you with informative business resources and strategies to endure this pandemic. Shop local safely, dine in or carry out, continue to support our locally owned businesses, restaurants, and retail. We're all in this together.
It's easy to be a hero. It's as simple as wearing a mask. Be an example and cover your nose and mouth. By wearing a mask, you're letting others know that you care.
Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use hand sanitizer. Cover all surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands.
It's always been important for local businesses, schools, and gathering places to offer clean facilities. With COVID-19, that need has become even more critical. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily, including countertops, door handles, and high-traffic areas. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent or soap and water prior to disinfection.
Did you know that we each play a vital role in helping to reduce the number of positive COVID-19 cases? Always cover your mouth and your nose when you cough and sneeze. Monitor your temperature and your health on a daily basis. Watch for COVID-19 symptoms. Stay home if you're sick. Let's get started.
Be kind. It's contagious. It costs nothing. Everyone is stressed, and a little bit of kindness will go a long way.
The good news is that we have come a long way since the COVID-19 pandemic started in March. The bad news is that we have a long road ahead of us. If we take just a few simple steps together, we can curb the surge and be a healthier community. Wear a mask, practice physical distancing, wash your hands, and keep your social circles small. Stopping the spread of COVID-19 depends on all of us doing our part.